Imagine yourself in this Nissan 2018 Rogue SV. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, radio, AM/FM CDO, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC and rear window defroster. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.